Hello lovelies, so today I'll be showing you how to make the best moist cake using mayonnaise. Welcome to my channel. My name is Teresa Metuka. So let's just dive straight into the recipe. So into a bowl, add in flour, add in cornstarch, add in cocoa powder. Yeah, I'm using Dutch processed cocoa powder because of how it make your cake taste rich and give you that very nice aroma. Or you can decide to also make use of natural cocoa. Then I added baking soda and baking powder and salt. What you got to do here is to mix this very well together. You want all the dry ingredients to properly mix well together. So just mix together and then you set this aside and move to the next process. So the next thing I want to get ready is buttermilk. So if you don't have buttermilk, you can make your own by mixing milk and vinegar or lemon. Stir this and set aside for 5 minutes. So the next thing you want to do is to add oil to bowl and add in your mayonnaise. Please do well to check the description box for the ingredients measurements. I've converted to cup and gram, so whichever one you're using, just check the description box and you'll get the proper measurement. So mayonnaise is not going to make your cakes taste awful. Mayonnaise is just the basic things we use in cake. We use oil in cake, we use eggs in cake, and basically that's what mayonnaise is made of. And we use lemon in cakes too, and those are the ingredients that we get in our mayonnaise. So using mayonnaise in baking your cake is going to make your cake very, very moist. So what you want to do here is to cream this for like 30 seconds to a minute. Do not over cream your mixture, please. So the next thing we're going to be adding is sugar. I know the sugar looks a bit much, but just trust this process. This cake is not an overly sweet cake. We're going to balance up everything at the end. Cream this for 2 minutes. One of the reasons why I love this cake so much is that it is very easy to make. In minutes you're done with it and it is very moist and so delicious. So as you're creaming at interval, just scrape the bottom and side of the bowl in order for all the ingredients to mix well together. If you're enjoying this video, do well by clicking on the like button, comment below. I would love to hear from you. And if you haven't subscribed, do click on the subscribe button. It is free of charge. You can turn on your notifications to get notified of when I drop new videos. You can also check my all the previous videos if you love rich decadent cake. I have lots of amazing chocolate cake recipes on my page, so do well to go there and check it, and you can also check all the cake video. I also have lots of amazing pastries, lots of cooking too. So I just added into this buttermilk and vanilla extract. Steam this for 40 minutes or a minute. Adding buttermilk to this cake, we add moisture to the cake and also give the cake that tangy flavor. It will also activate the baking soda. Sugar doesn't only add sweetness to cake, it adds moisture, tenderness, and color and also texture to the cake. So if you're using a particular recipe and the sugar seems a bit much, be careful when making adjustments. You can balance it up, and that's what we'll be doing in this recipe. So I'll be uploading a sugar-free cake video very soon. So do well to turn on your notifications to get notified of when I drop the particular video. So I just added coffee to a cup and I'm filling it up with hot water. Stir this and set aside. The coffee will help balance the sweetness in the cake and it also intensify the chocolate richness of this cake. So that was the reason why we are using coffee. Into the cream batter, add eggs one at a time. I'm using 3 eggs and 1 yolk. Please do well to check the description box for the ingredients measurement. So you want to really avoid to over cream your batter, as this will result to a dense cake and a very tough cake, and it will also affect the volume of the cake. Your cake won't rise well, so you want to ensure you do not over cream this so that you can have that very moist, delicious chocolate cake that we want. Like, I've had this cake recipe in my gallery for months now. Like, it's almost like maybe 9 months ago that I had this recipe and I didn't really want to share it. I don't know why I didn't want to share it, because this is one of my best recipes. So please, I would love to hear from you at the comment section how it turned out, if you tried at this recipe, and how was the result. Add in the dry ingredients and alternate with the coffee, starting and ending with the dry ingredients. I added this in two addition, added the dry ingredients in two addition, and then the coffee in just one addition. So do not forget to always scrape the bottom and side of your bowl so that you can incorporate all the ingredients well. The reason why we brewed the coffee earlier is to give it some time to cool slightly before incorporating into the mixture. This will help prevent the hot coffee from cooking the eggs or melting the butter prematurely. Add this into a prepared cake pan. So I've already lined my cake pan with parchment paper. Tap at your countertop to remove excess air bubbles. The reason why air bubbles are removed in cake batter is to ensure uniform texture throughout the cake and to promote even rising of the cake. Bake the cake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This will result in a very moist cake and a well-baked cake. Bake this cake for 30 to 35 minutes. Your cake is ready when you insert toothpick and it comes out clean. So look at our cake, looking so yummy, very delicious. Oh my goodness, you really need to try out this recipe. So if you have any question regarding to this video, please let me know at the comment section. Please do well by sharing this recipes to all the cake bakers. They should try out this recipe. Like I said, this is one of my best sellers. I didn't want to share this recipe, but because I love you guys so much, so that's why I'm sharing this recipe. So do well please by liking, sharing and commenting. So if you want to know more about this ganache used, check my other previous video. I have details to this ganache that was used in this video, so just go. I'll drop the link in the description. Also, you can click the link that is appearing in this video right now to make your own delicious chocolate ganache. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the other flip side. Bye for now. Lot of kisses.